Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendanos, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the VPN error message 721 the remote computer is not responding. So this VPN error 721 is a Microsoft error that arises after making a failed attempt to establish a virtual private network connections to a corporate network by using a point-to-point tunneling protocol client. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung network reset, type mo lang siya. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And then madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So makikita mo dito yung network reset, and dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset now. And then are you sure you want to reset your network settings? And then click mo lang dito yung yes. And you're about to be signed out. Okay? And then close lang natin yan. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix VPN error 721. The remote computer is not responding. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.